After being rehabilitated, Yuwenjia left Red Coat Space and returned to work at her alma mater. The rehabilitation gave her a glimmer of hope for the future, but seeing the outside world left her in despair. Trauma from the Cultural Revolution began to surface as she rationally contemplated humanity's irrationality, and Yuwenjia tried to find the Red Guards who had beaten her father to death, hoping they would show some remorse. Those former Red Guards were now middle-aged women living in poverty. They said it was a new era, and those things were history. There was no need for remorse. One died in the Yellow River, one was disabled, and life had already ravaged them. Yuwenjia also visited her mother Shaolin through a political marriage. Shaolin was now a university vice president, living very well, but there was estrangement between them, and Shaolin did not discuss Yuwenjia's father. Shaolin's husband warned Yuwenjia not to investigate her mother's culpability, believing her father's stubborn beliefs were deranged. This led Yuwenjia to despair at human nature, resolutely wanting to introduce a higher civilization to save humanity. Many years passed without any response from the three-body world. Yuwenjia began to doubt whether she really received extraterrestrial information and replied to it back then. But seeing humanity's ugliness reaffirmed her confidence in her act of betrayal, stealing her determination to introduce the three-body civilization to save humanity. Losing contact with the three-body world, Yuwenjia devoted all her energy to physics research, hoping to contribute to society through science and atone for her betrayal. In the early 1980s, she participated in building China's first national key laboratory of stellar physics and was one of the lab's major scientists. There she trained a group of astrophysicists and published numerous high-level papers. She also established China's first solar physics research group to conduct observational research on the sun. In 1991, John von Neumann visited China. The two really hit it off, and they invited Yuwenjia to visit the Institute for Advanced Study at Princeton. There, Yuwenjia attended a series of physics seminars and was exposed to cutting-edge physical theories. She also visited the National Radio Astronomy Observatory. This visit greatly broadened her research horizons. In 1997, Yuwenjia was elected an academician of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, becoming China's first female astronomical academician. That same year, she was named one of the 10 outstanding women in China. In 1998, Yuwenjia succeeded Jean Belgia as head of Tsinghua University's astronomy department. The next year, she also succeeded Wu Jianxuan as president of the Chinese Astronomical Society. In these positions, she advanced the development of Chinese astronomy research.